Question number 2 is asking us to evaluate using an equation. And so what this is essentially asking me to do is everywhere I see x, I'm going to plug in 0. So for this first one, I'm going to write 0 to the third power minus 6 times 0 plus 3. Well, 0 to the third power is 0. 6 times 0 is 0 plus 3. Well, 0 minus 0 plus 3 is 3. Now I can do the same thing with any value they want me to plug in. So in this case it's negative 4, so I'm going to say negative 4 to the third power minus 6 times negative 4 plus 3. Negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 gives me a negative 64, plus, in this case, negative times negative gives me a positive, and 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3. Negative 64 plus 24 is going to give me negative 40. And negative 40 plus 3 is I'm sorry, I did that incorrectly. Negative 40 plus 3, since this is still negative, is going to give me a negative 37. You can certainly check that in your calculator if you'd like. So I'm going to go back over here to my calculator. I'm going to say parenthesis negative 4 raised to the third power, and I'm using this button right here for the power, right under the clear. Minus 6 times negative 4 plus 3 does give me that negative 37. And then on this last one, I've got 10 to the third power minus 6 times 10 plus 3. 10 to the third power is 1,000 minus 6 times 10 is 60 plus 3. So 1,000 minus 60 is going to be 940 plus 3, or 943. Again, you're welcome to check that in the calculator. So 10 to the third power minus 6 times 10 plus 3 gives me the 943 that we were expecting. So when I evaluate in function notation, f at 0 is saying plug in 0 everywhere you see x, and then simplify the problem.